Hello, this is Justin Harwell with the GIS department of the Texarkana Water Utilities. Today I'm going to show you how to use ArcGIS in Civil 3D AutoCAD 2022. So we're going to go over here to the Model tab at the very bottom. Make sure we're in the Civil 3D workspace. Come over to the Insert tab, and then go to Autodesk Connector for ArcGIS. Okay, now we're going to go up to the top, select our Select tool, or we can just type in an address and just highlight a certain area. Go to My Groups. I've created an Autodesk group for anyone that's using Autodesk. We select here, and we can drop down, for example, let's use sewer service. Okay, let's go ahead and just load a manhole up for example piece. Now because it's a point, we're going to pick COGO points so that pulls into Autodesk and we can work with them like any other piece of data we normally use. We want to go ahead and click the View feature so that we can see all the manholes. Now this will just pull in the selected region. So all these other ones outside the region, no need to worry about pulling a whole bunch of manholes. Go down to water service. Let's just pull in some water mains. We're going to use the plus sign here. So we have a drop down, and you'll notice we have transmission, distribution, and raw water. For this situation, let's just use transmission and distribution. Go down, we're going to click feature lines because we are using feature lines in this particular Autodesk situation. And the view tool, just to double check on what we're pulling in. And then add to my design project. Okay, once it loads, you'll notice that you have just normal lines and normal points. If you were to select any of those points, you can click on properties and see that they did pull in as COGO points, and they do have a layer, meaning that it's data that we can actually work with here. Now if the aerial images start to come in either blurry or you just would like to speed them up, one of the things that you can do here is you can go to your Home tab, under the Palette section, select the Map Task Plane, or you could just type Map W space. Then you need to select On. It'll show your aerial images here, and if you are in the city, you really want to try to make sure to select this top one. But if you're outside into the county, you can use this back one here. High resolutions are going to be seen in the city area, but we don't have any high resolutions for the county, so you can focus in on just the area you like. For this situation, because I am in the city, I'm just going to go ahead and select these. This is my area. It's going to clean up as you're going. I picked a large area to kind of show you how long it takes to clean up, and then we will right click on one and go to Resample Raster. What this will allow is it basically cuts it to just the area that we'll actually be working in. So now if I was to zoom out, you notice that everything else is gone. Alright, that's all for today. Have a great day.